हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। विशाल गुप्ता आपका टीचर। कैसे हो आप सब स्टूडेंट्स? इस वीडियो में मैं आपको क्लास 10 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश की जो हमारी बुक है फर्स्ट फ्लाइट की, उसमें जो पोइम है अमेंडा, उसकी समरी और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कराने जा रहा हूँ। सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं इसकी समरी की। द पोइम अमेंडा इज़ अबाउट ए स्मॉल चाइल्ड हुज पेरेंट्स आर फॉर एवर नैगिंग हर अबाउट what to do and what not to do. This frequent interference makes her very unhappy, जिसकी वजह से वो नाखुश है। It seems as if she is not free to do anything. ऐसा लगता है कि वो कोई भी काम करने के लिए आज़ाद नहीं है। And she wants to do, जो वो करना चाहती है, she wants freedom from all restrictions. She dreams to lead a life of a mermaid in a languid emerald sea, with being the only inhabitant there. She feels that an orphan has more freedom. उसे लगता है कि जो एक अनाथ बच्चा है उसके पास ज़्यादा आज़ादी होती है जितनी कि उसके पास है, क्योंकि उसके माँ बाप उसको टोकते रहते हैं। She also wished to lead a calm and quiet life in a tower like that of Rapunzel, with nobody to disturb her. ताकि कोई भी उसके पास उसको डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए ना हो। चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों इसके अमेंडा के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए। ये जो बच्चों, ये देखिए, ये जो हमारे पास पोइम है अमेंडा की फर्स्ट फ्लाइट की बुक में, उसके ये जो अब बैक एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन हैं ये मैं आपको कराने जा रहा हूँ। ठीक है बच्चों, चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए। इसका जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ ओल्ड डू यू थिंक अमेंडा इज? हाउ डू यू नो दिस? Amanda is about a 9 to 10-year-old school-going girl. She is being scolded for things typical for that particular age. Her parents are trying to inculcate in her good manners and etiquettes. Amanda is very innocent and immature. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। Who do you think is speaking to her? One of her parents is speaking to her. Most probably it is her mother. In a traditional household, mother is held responsible for the conduct of the child. In this case also, the range of instructions suggests that the speaker is Amanda's mother. ठीक है बच्चों, चलिए अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ। What could Amanda do if she were a mermaid? Amanda wishes to be a mermaid so that she could carelessly move along on a languid emerald sea. She just wished to be carried away by the green sea waves slowly and gradually. Amanda longs for a place where she is all by herself, as her happiness is not dependent on any other human being. Hence, she desires to be a mermaid because for a child, mermaid is a symbol of freedom and wonder. Question number 4 next जो है वो है, is Amanda an orphan? Why does she says so? No, she is not an orphan, but she wishes to be one. She is so much stressed with the continuous nagging of her parents that she imagines herself to be a better without them. The mere presence of her parents around her depresses her. Amanda is a little girl who seeks golden silence and sweet freedom. She wishes to roam around streets and draw patterns with her bare feet. Indeed, it is a horrible depressing that Amanda expects being an orphan. ठीक है बच्चों, चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। Do you know the strong story of Rapunzel? Why does she wants to be Rapunzel? Rapunzel's story revolves around her life on a tower. वो एक टावर पे अकेली लड़की रहती है जो कि टावर बनाया है एक विच ने। She eventually got used to living there. She was happy and satisfied with her life. She eventually got used to living there. She was happy and satisfied with her life. Rapunzel had very long golden hair, using which the witch used to pay her a visit. The fate of Rapunzel took a turn when one day a prince came to meet her using her hair. The witch had punished both of them by separating them. Finally, they met after a couple of years, only to be united forever this time. Amanda wishes to live like Rapunzel on a high tower away from everyone. She seeks peace and harmony. That is the reason Amanda wishes to be like Rapunzel. ठीक है बच्चों, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. What does the girl yearns for? What does this poem tells you about Amanda? इसका आंसर है बच्चों, a girl like Amanda yearns for freedom and space for herself. She is incapable of fulfilling the expectations of parents. Amanda is no less than a symbol for all children who faces similar fate irrespective of class, color or nationality. Societies demand a certain type of behavior from the individuals, and training to produce such begins at a very young age. Parents ignore the innocence and understanding level of their children, and thereby the young ends up killing their imaginations and thoughts. तो इसी के साथ बच्चों इसकी समरी के साथ साथ ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी कंप्लीट होते हैं. आई होप कि ये आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गए होंगे. आप इसको देख के अपने नोट्स कंप्लीट कर लीजिए और रिवीजन भी मेरे साथ कर लेना. विशिंग यू गुड लक.